What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This place is trashed, there's not a whole lot inside, but it's worth a little look. How amazing could this home be? What a waste. So we'll take you for some of the outside walk arounds first. So it's got so much land with it as well. Could be incredible. There's not actually a stairs in this place, just a ladder. So it could get interesting. But I'll show you the downstairs first nonetheless. As you can see, literally trashed. Let's close the door so no one knows we're in here. How sweet could this place be? I'll literally take you through to the staircase, grand staircase. Check out that bad boy. So we made the grand staircase without dying. Can't promise it's going to be the same way going down. This is trash, guys. There's not a lot up here whatsoever. Said the flooring is beams, but it was worth a look to come and just see it just in case. The garage door is somehow in the bedroom. Don't ask me how that works. But yeah, whatever you're into, I guess. And yeah, it's spongy as hell, guys, not gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna wrap it there and I get down before I kill myself. Somebody should definitely buy this because it is gorgeous.